Good afternoon, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the JavaFX life cycles. Already you know, the cycle is nothing but if we are having a starting point, then it should have a ending points, right? So JavaFX is also having their own life cycle where we have to initiate and where we have to proceed and where we have to stop it. Okay, that thing it is covered in this JavaFX life cycle. Java life cycle, it is done through the methods. There are three methods which is used in the JavaFX applications. The first one is init, and the second method is start, and the third method is stop. Okay, what's the use of this init method? The init method, it is called to initiate the beginning. So that is the purpose of that init function. And the next one is the void start. This start method, it is used to initiate or start their function after init method calling. Okay. This will be used to set this scene. What is the use of start method? That already you know. If you started the vehicle, you may travel some places. Then after reaching that particular place, what we have to do? We have to stop the vehicle, right? Like that. If you started your process, then you have to initiate. After initiating, you have started. After completing the process, we have to stop it, right? For stopping that, we need this stop method. Basically, this application architecture, it is divided into three main components known as stage, screen, and nodes. Okay. The stage, it is the title bar. Actually, the what are the title which is given? It is given in the stage. Okay. It will be given within the borders. Then content area. In this content area, we will give the scheme and the graph. That relevant graph should be given in the content area. Then the event basically it will occurs if we click a button, or if we press a key, or if we move the mouse, or if we close or open a window. During these times, the event may occur. Okay. After occurring this event, the control will be given to the control unit. Okay. So for performing this events, Java provides special classes to represent these events, such as action event, mouse event, key event, and the window event. So each event it will perform on its own based on the event which occurring. The first one is the handling key and the mouse events. Handle the keyboard and mouse events in the Java UI programs. Okay. It's like a swing or JavaFX by listening for the user actions. Okay. First, we have to listen what the user is trying to do. Okay. Then we have to respond with the code when a key is pressed or mouse is clicked or moved. Okay. Say for example, you can consider your mobile phones. If you click on the side button, what it will happen? It will ask whether you have to switch on or restart the machine. Okay. Then if you increase or decrease the volume, it will be displayed on the control images. Then the keyboard, if we press any letters in the keyboard, what it is happen? Okay, key pressed, the key it will goes down. Key released, it will goes upright. If you press the key, it will be go near to that particular bottom. If you release, then it will come back. Then if key typed, what action I have to do? Then this is the example. The key event, it is the class belongs to event subclass. It is belongs to AWT subclass. This is belongs to a Java base class, a super class. This is the frame, implements the key listener. For that, we have to call the JLabel class. Then we have to set the size, what will be the x-axis and what will be the y-axis. And we have to mention the label name. And we have to set the borders. Then set size. What will be the size of your window? Then set layout. Initially, the layout will be null. Then we have to set visible equal to true so that your thing will be screen will be get visible. Then if the key is pressed, what it will happen? E dot get key code. If I have pressed the key A, then that code A code will be transferred over here. So based on that, it will do the calculations. Else it will be a left or right where it should be printed. Okay, that thing it will be carried over here. Then the key released. If we press the key, if we release the key, what it should be happen. Okay, that thing should be specified here. Then in the main function, the new key event demo. Just through this method we are calling. Then handling the mouse events, the mouse listener or mouse motion listeners for mouse events like if we clicked, pressed or released or entered or exited or moved or dragged. These are all the some of the mouse events which is available in the application development. Okay. For that, this is the example. So friends, thank you.